This is the butcher bird, not to be mistaken for the magpie. Yeah, it just came and sat on my balcony. Lots of birds come and sit there because there's lots of insects and bugs that they can get from the eaves and into the roof line there. But yeah, I went right up to this one actually, and it didn't fly away, so pretty cool. Lovely day here in Victoria Park in Perth, looking out across the Swan River and towards the Perth City with the buildings, and then up to Kings Park, so pretty cool.
Bye.